Hey, what's going on everyone? Brian from Drywall Nation here. I am in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia. I'm here with our friend Pete Wilson on one of his custom high-end homes. And today we're going to be showing you how to use CanAm's GoldCore Professional Toolkit. So we've talked about CanAm semi-automatic toolkits in the past. In this video, we're going to dive in a little more in depth and show you exactly how it works, as well as who could use it. If you're transitioning from hand taping and you want to make a little bit more money, get a quicker return on your investment, then this is a great kit for you. So let's just jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to apply our mud for our flat tapes. We're going to use our compound tube and our flat applicator. Now I like to suck the mud up in the tube without the applicator on the head. Obviously, once the applicator is on the head, then you lose a little bit. If it's not perfectly straight, it might be hard to kind of suck that mud through. So I suck the mud through, then I stick the head on, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to get started on the seams. And Pete is going to follow me, applying the mud to the wall. So you can see just how quickly we can move here. So we got a nice ribbon of mud along that seam, and Pete's going to follow me, applying the tape. So just like that. So we're going to keep cruising around the room, applying the mud to those seams. Now, again, if you're using semi-auto tools, consistency is key, just like any other automatic taping tool. So you can see we just ran out of mud here. So I'm going to pop my head off. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to suck up some more mud. Bang that off the pail. And we're just going to stick our head back on and keep rolling. So you can see we get pretty far with one tube. So this is the 42-inch compound tube. There are different sizes available. You can get them smaller as well as bigger. We'll just keep cruising along here. So you can see Pete is just wiping the tapes that we just applied to the wall. Now, if you're looking to get into automatic taping tools or semi-automatic taping tools and you don't want to break the bank, this is a great little kit. It's very cost effective and it's relatively simple to use. As you can see, you just apply the mud on with the different applicators that come with the kit. It's pretty quick and it's pretty user friendly. I'll let you wipe that side, Pete. So if you're a handyman, DIYer, or even a professional drywaller, but you're still taping by hand, this is a great way to start earning a little more money, being a little faster on your job sites. You can see just how quickly it's going. So another nice thing about compound tubes is just how versatile they are. So you can see how quickly we went around the room using our flat applicator. Now the kit also comes with corner applicator and inside corner applicator to do all your inside angles. And with that same applicator, after your tapes are dried and you flush them, then you could use that same applicator for your second coat, for your final coat. It also comes with an outside corner roller, so you can install your corner beads, corner applicator and corner roller, I should say. So that's another nice feature. It's an extremely versatile tool and you could use it for almost every step of the process. So we just finished taping our flats using our flat applicator. Now we're going to be using our GoldCore dual purpose inside corner applicator. So same process, we're going to suck up the mud using our compound tube. I'm going to stick the corner applicator on just like that, and then if you guys want to follow me, I'll start applying the mud, and then Pete is going to follow me just applying the tape. Nice thing about this corner applicator is you could use it going both directions. We're just doing our uprights right now, so you can see you're going to go up, and then I don't have to flip it. I could just come right back down the same way. So very nice applicator. So just ran out of mud there. We were short about 2 feet. And just like that, all of our inside corners are done. So now I'm going to grab our corner roller And you can see Pete has applied the tape. I'm going to follow him, rolling those tapes into place. Roll those nice and tight so we pull out all the excess mud from behind the tape. And then you can see Pete is going to follow me with his flusher, and he's going to flush those inside corners. Leave a nice tight coat of mud. And Pete is using a 3-inch flusher.
Demonstrate? Oh, you're still rolling.
I'm still rolling one, yeah. So Pete's using a 3-inch flusher. The GoldCore Pro kit comes with a 3 as well as a 3.5-inch. And then there's also 3 bonus Nicor finishers as well, which are great if you're doing renovations, or if you're just a DIY guy, you don't want to spend a lot of money, or if you just do a few jobs, you know, a small basement or bathroom renovation every year. These are also a great alternative. You know, great price point on these Nicor flushers. So you get a similar result to what Pete is doing now, but obviously at a much lower price point. So if you take a look at these corners, you know, this, you can see the tape is coated very, very nicely. The tape is all covered, and you know, for your finish, well, we're going to show you guys what that looks like right now. So this is just our tape process. Let's go take a look at what it looks like to give that a final coat. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to finish our inside corner after it's dried. So this is the same process as what me and Pete just demonstrated in the other room. So this tape is completely dry now. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the same dual purpose corner applicator as we did for applying our tapes. So we sucked up our mud. We're going to apply the mud to the corner. Gonna do that corner there. We'll do this one over here. So very easily just applying the mud to that inside corner after the tape has dried. So to apply our tapes, we used the 3-inch flusher. Now for our finish coat, we're going to use the 3.5-inch flusher. Look at that finish. So if you guys come in a little closer, check out that angle. So you see how fast that was, and check out how smooth those edges are. There is hardly any sanding to do there. All right, so now we're going to demonstrate how to use the outside corner applicator that's included in your GoldCore Professional Toolkit. So same thing, we're going to load up the mud with our compound tube. I'll show you a little bit of a close-up on that corner applicator there. So that simply clips onto the head, and then we're going to run the mud up the wall just like that. We'll flip it coming down, and there we go, just like that. We've installed the mud. Now we're going to stick our corner bead on there. We're going to kind of center that at the bottom, center it midway, and then we're going to center it as far up as we can reach. We're going to grab our corner bead roller included in the kit. The same thing, we're going to roll that up towards the top, roll it down. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and wipe the edges of the bead just to clean off any excess mud. I'm just going to go as high as I can reach for demonstration purposes. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick demonstration. As you can see, the CanAm semi-auto toolkit is a huge time saver. You got increased productivity on the job site, a very cost efficient and cheap entry point compared to fully automatic tapers. So very easy to maintain, easy to clean, and quicker return on your investment right out of the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I want to thank Pete Wilson. Pete, thank you very much for having us out today. Really appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.